Happy World Day for International Justice that is celebrated on 17th July every year around the world. Firstly, you should know the basics of Constitution of India. So I am going to give a quick look on the important thing that you should know. When our constitution was completed on 26 November 1949, there were 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules. But now we have 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules. Due to 104 amendment of the Constitution of India since it was first enacted in 1950. Now you know that there are 448 articles in our constitution, but when you buy any book of articles of Indian constitution, you are going to find the last article as 395th article, but we have 448 articles. Do you know why it is so? Just find it, and if you know, leave a comment below. Moving ahead, I am going to let you know 10 important laws that you must know being an Indian citizen. Number 1. Under Section 46 of Criminal Code, no woman can be arrested before 6 am and after 6 pm. Number 2. As per maximum retail price 2014, no shopkeeper can charge higher price of goods than the printed price, but the consumer can bargain for a lower price or discount. Number 3. Under Section 185 to 202 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988, at the time of driving, if your 100 ml of blood contain more than 30 ml of alcohol, then the police can arrest you without a warrant. Number 4. According to Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act of 1956, a married couple can't adopt two children of same sex. That is, one is boy, so other must be girl. Number 5. A police officer can't refuse to file an FIR, and in case he denies, he can be jailed for up to 6 months to 2 years under Section 155A of CRPC. Number 6. As per Section 129 of Indian Motor Vehicle Act, wearing the helmet is must for two-wheeler riders. This law also says that if the traffic police snatches the key from the car or motorcycle, it is illegal. You have the full right to launch a legal proceeding against the officer. Section 128 of the Motor Vehicle Act limits the minimum 2 riders on the bike. Number 7. A police officer is always on duty even if he is not in uniform or on holiday. Number 8. No head constable can fine you for any offence which presently has a penalty for more than 100 rupees. Number 9. Under Information Technology Act 2000, voice and messages recorded in a tape recorder or phone can be used as evidence at court. Number 10. According to Right to Information Act 19, any citizen of India can request information from any public authority and the authority will have to revert back at the earliest or within 30 days. That's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.